Hi, my name is Neeraj. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn how can we find nth highest salary as well as second, third highest salary from SQL table. I have created a table with the name TBLEMP. In that TBLEMP table, we have few columns. As an example, in that TBLEMP column, I have ID column, I have first name column, I have last name column, I have EMP status column, I have salary column, right? What we have done, we have inserted few dummy values in the table and then we have few data. Let me run this query. We have 4 rows in this TBLEMP table and salaries like we have 4,000, 10,000, 90,000, 10,000. Okay, so firstly we will learn how can we find second highest salary as well as nth highest salary. We will also see different approaches. Okay, so I'm going to write a query and then I will explain the query. Okay, this is my query 1. What I can do, I can write select distinct top 3 salary from TBLEMP order by salary descending. Okay, so what we are getting, this is returning in descending way, top 3 salary in descending way. Let me run this both query at a time. So this is returning top 3 salary from TBLEMP in descending way. So first salary is 90,000, second salary is 10,000 and third one is 4,000 and it's returning distinct. That's why one data is only coming at a time. Okay, so what I can do here, we are going to return second highest salary. Okay, now I can use this query in subquery, select distinct top 1 salary from. This query I will use as a subquery. Okay, as EMP salary order by salary ascending. Let me format this. Okay, and let me run this in both. Wait, so what is our output? I'm in way of second highest salary, right? So I will read this top 2 salary, right? Let me show you. So second highest salary is 10,000. So what we are doing, I'm using select distinct top 1 salary. Okay, from in this list I have top 2 salary. So in this top 2 salary I'm returning top 1 salary. Okay, so this list, this distinct top 2 salary from TBLEMP is returning top 2 highest salary because we are using order by salary descending, and we are using this query as a subquery, and from this list I am using top 1 salary order by ascending, right? So this is our second highest salary. If I want to use first highest salary, then I can use simply this. We don't need to write any subquery. in case of first highest salary, let me write this query 1 first highest salary. What I can do, we can use simply top 1 salary from table EMP. This will return first highest salary. Okay, let me clear this. Let me also remove this. In second highest salary, we are using this top 2, and suppose we need top 3 highest salary. So what we will do, we will write this third, and then we will filter top 3, then it will return third highest salary, right? So in this approach, what we are doing, we are using subqueries. For first highest salary, we don't need to use any subquery. For second highest salary, we are using this subquery, and in that subquery we are picking top 2 salary. And for third highest salary, we are using subquery, and in this subquery we are picking top 3 salary. We can also find this data with a different way. Okay, let me use second approach. Okay, in second approach we can use dense rank, right? Let me show you how can we use dense rank to find nth highest salary in SQL Server. Dense rank is a window function determines the rank of a value in a group of value based on the order by expression in the over class. So what we are doing, we are using this dense rank on over class, and then we are using order by salary descending, right? So let me run this query. See, 90,000 is first highest salary, 10,000 is second highest salary, this 10,000 is also second highest salary, and 4,000 is third highest salary. So what we can do, we can simply write one more query over this subquery. Select the star from, and then okay, where we can use wait, what happening, this is my subquery, right? And then we are using okay, select the star from. So this is my subquery which is returning a extra column R and K, and this column they have been segregated first highest salary, second highest salary, and third highest salary. And then simply we can use a query and this rank as a where clause, and then it will return required highest salary. Suppose I just want to fetch first highest salary, then I will use this filter 1 here. Let me run this. This is my first highest salary. Okay, and if I need to use second highest salary, so let me show you, this is my second highest salary. I can use simply temp dot salary column here. So this is my second highest salary. I can also use distinct, right? This is my second highest salary. If I need to fetch third highest salary, this is my third highest salary. We do not have fourth highest salary here. Let me run this. So it is blank. So in this video, I have explained how can we find first highest salary, second highest salary, third highest salary, same as nth highest salary. Okay, and we also discuss two approaches. One is simply subquery approaches and second one is dense rank. How can we use dense rank? In another video we will discuss about this dense rank, row number and all these concepts in detail. If you are watching this video first time, then please subscribe my channel and also like. Thank you. One more thing, if you know any other way to fetch first highest salary, second highest salary, third highest salary, so please write your logic in comment box. Thank you. Bye. Have a good day.